In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're freeing up some space or switching to another PDF reader, uninstalling Adobe Acrobat is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, you're going to start by clicking either the Start menu or the search bar on your desktop or laptop. This is usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen in Windows. If you're using a different operating system, look for the search functionality where you can easily type in the name of the program. Once you've found the search bar, go ahead and type in Adobe Acrobat. Depending on how recently you've used Adobe Acrobat, it might appear under Recent Programs, which will save you a little bit of time. If it does show up there, that makes things even easier. Just be aware that every computer might look a little different depending on your settings or version of your system, so don't worry if yours doesn't match what I'm describing exactly. After you've located Adobe Acrobat in your search results, you're going to want to select it. This means left-clicking on it with your mouse. Once it's highlighted, proceed by right-clicking on Adobe Acrobat. This right-click is going to bring up a context menu. In this menu, you will see an option labeled Uninstall. Go ahead and click on that. Now, it's important to mention that clicking Uninstall here won't usually uninstall the program immediately. Instead, it directs you to the Control Panel section where you can make changes to your programs. Alternatively, it could also open up the settings if that's where program management is located in your system version. This is essentially where your computer keeps track of all the programs you have installed. You'll likely find yourself in a list of installed programs and features. Here, you may need to confirm your choice again by finding Adobe Acrobat in the list if it didn't carry over automatically, and again select Uninstall. Follow any additional prompts that pop up. These might include confirming that you want to uninstall the program, and there may be some loading time while your computer completes the process. And there you have it, folks. Adobe Acrobat should now be uninstalled from your system. This process frees up space and simplifies your list of programs, which is always good for keeping your device running smoothly. Remember that even after uninstalling, you may want to check any remaining files associated with Adobe or do a quick restart of your computer to ensure everything went correctly. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this guide has been helpful for keeping your computer organized. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.